Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 7th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor. I wish I was. So do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir was up 15 cents today, 0.64%. Closed at 23.73. Post-market, we are just down 3 cents. So are we turning around? Look at this. This is very weird. So we have this very small bodied candle. It means that we opened pretty much at the same price that we closed. So we opened at 23.71 and we closed at 23.73. And it's just weird to see that we have, one big red candle here followed by this little candle and the same thing twice. This is a weird stock. This is a weird company and the CEO is also weird. So there you go. Okay, so we are making a higher low. That's good. We are making a lower high. Okay, so I think we are just stabilizing after this big drop of yesterday. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So we have at 9:30 here. So at 9:30, we broke 23.74. Remember this support resistance, blah, 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 that we have. So 23.74 was broken. And for those that like the moving average, the 50-day moving average was touched right here. So in this case, the moving average acted as a resistance. Then we stayed above 23.74, above, and then we came back flat on it. And then afterwards went lower, but then was pushed back flat on it. And the same thing for the last candle of the day. It's really painful to get some traction a little bit here. Let's look at the daily chart. Stochastic 1132. So stochastic is really slow to come up also. So the stock is really flat. Nothing and not much pressure, buying pressure. We could draw some trend lines on RSI here just to look at what is happening. This is basically a resistance on the RSI, the relative strength index. From the strength of the stock, we are in a downtrend from a strength perspective. Once we broke this resistance, then it means that the slope of descending strength is going to change. So let's just keep this in mind. Everything else is red. DMI is getting better. It got better yesterday, and today it got a little bit worse, but not that much. So it's maintaining itself pretty good. I am back into the hour chart. So if you got back in when it went above 23.74, I think you are still okay for now. I would really check it. But I think you are still okay because we are still around 23.74. If it really starts to go down, then I would just get out of it and wait for a better entry. Let's just be patient. This stock has suffered severe trauma. So it's going to take a while for the demons to come out of it. Let's just give it time. Time heals all wounds. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member of this channel. We have a TradingView affiliate link also. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.